Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a delicious low-calorie salad dressing with peas. It's a salad perfect for winters because the dressing is steamingly hot and there is no oil, no sugar in the recipe, and it's very easy to make. Okay, now let's get started. The recipe I'm making today is for one person. The main ingredient is this, 100 grams of peas. That is nearly a quarter pound. You can use fresh peas or frozen ones, both of them work. Put them in a large bowl, then add 100 milliliters of hot water. The hotter the better. 100 milliliters is nearly 3.5 ounces. Now, we are gonna quickly make these peas into a hot dressing in the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get them out of the microwave. And cover it with a plate to keep the peas from going dry and bouncing out. Now, microwave it at max power for 8 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave, or for 10 minutes in a weaker 700 watts one. 8 minutes later, the peas are thoroughly cooked. Now, all you need to do is to smash them with a spoon. They'll easily turn into a paste. I like leaving some peas still intact. I think this tastes and looks better. And now we season it. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A little black pepper. I'm adding 7 swirls here. I'm only doing the basic seasoning here because I want to feature the original flavor of peas. They are already delicious as what they are. You can try other spices that you like. Only remember not to change that 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now here is around 100 grams of fresh leafy veggies. That is around a quarter pound. Now let's pour the dressing on them. Then, to add some color and flavors, I would strip 1 slice of prosciutto on it, or other kinds of cured hams. They pair really well with the flavor of peas. Now, this is the salad of the day. The dressing is steamingly hot, the veggies are still fresh and crispy, a perfect salad for winters. Okay, now time for the nutrition facts. This plate of salad has around 132 kcal of calories, 10.5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbs, and around 846 milligrams of sodium. This pea dressing is also good as a bread spread, and no matter how you season it, it always goes well with some cured hams. Eat it while the dressing is still hot. That's how you can get best of it. Now, enjoy! And that is the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, take care!